Hey, hey, Bucky Worlders. Welcome back to the Bucky World. Here we are in lovely Eagle River, Alaska. A little experiment I thought of doing. I don't know why I didn't think of it before. 2002 Honda S2000, referred to as AP1, first generation. That means 2-liter, short stroke, 8,900 RPM red line, but a 9,100 RPM fuel cut. So a 9,000 RPM engine, hence the license plate on my particular one right here. 113,000 miles. I'm the third owner, but the second owner put about 800 miles on it. He bought it merely to flip it. A pretty clean car, all in all. 113 is low for a 24-year-old car. And I decided I'm going to mic the exhaust tailpipe, and I'm also going to put a wireless mic under the hood. I wanted to get the most visceral representation of that 9,000 RPM red line as best I can. I've got a mystery helper in the passenger seat, going to be shooting video here. What a lovely day. High 60s, bluebird skies, mountains, t-shirt weather, and 9,000 RPMs. Let's go! Well, what'd you think? I haven't heard the microphone live feed myself yet, so I can't wait to hear it like you just did. I don't know, it was kind of a pointless exercise, but I thought it'd be fun. And I suspect there's more ridiculous stuff like that to look forward to here at the Bucky World on YouTube. Please come back, won't you? And please subscribe.